Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss the view of elbow. So for elbow radiography, we have to ask the patient to sit near the X-ray table and towards the affected side. Then we have to ask the patient to place his elbow on the X-ray cassette. The basic view of elbow is lateral and AP. So first of all, we have to do the lateral view to see is there any dislocation or not. So for the lateral view, we have to ask the patient to flex his elbow in 90 degree. The shoulder should be placed at the level of elbow so that the arm should be attached with the cassette. Then we have to put the wrist on the lateral position. Then for the centering, we have to put the centering on the lateral epicondyle, and for elbow we will use a 8 into 10 inch cassette, and we have to always put a marker on the cassette. The exposure factor will be for manual it will be 55 kbp and 15 MAS. For computerized radiography, for elbow it will be 40 kbp and 10 MAS. The distance, the FFD will be 100 centimeter, and we will not use any grid in elbow radiography. And for radiographic appearance, the 1/3 of the radius and ulna should be included. The lower part of humerus should be included in the film, and the joint space of elbow should be properly visualized. So after the exposure, we will get the radiograph like this. So in this radiograph, we can see for elbow lateral, and the base of the humerus is clearly visible, and the ulna and the radius is clearly visible, and the joint space is also clearly visible. This is the head of the radius, rounded head. This is the neck of the radius, and this one is the radial tuberosity. You can see it clearly. This is olecranon process of ulna. This is coracoid process of ulna, and you can see it clearly. This is the epicondyle. This is the lateral epicondyle of the humerus, and both the lateral and medial epicondyle are superimposed on each other. And if the joint space is clearly visible and both the epicondyles are superimposed on each other, then we can say that the lateral position is the positioning of the lateral position is perfect, and the exposure factors are also perfect because you can differentiate bones from the soft tissues clearly, and the bones are also clearly visible.